Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use Telegram without phone number. So Telegram normally requires a phone number for registration, but there are few workarounds to use it without sharing your personal number. The option one is to use a virtual number. You can download the virtual number app like the Text Now, Google Voice, or Numero eSIM, and open the Telegram and enter the virtual number. Receive the SMS or OTP code in the app and enter the code in Telegram to create your account. You can also use a landline and enter your landline number. Since SMS won't work, choose Call Me to get the code via voice call. And you can use a temporary number service. You can visit the website that provides disposable numbers and get a temporary number and to use it to receive an OTP. And best practice is you can use a virtual number app for privacy and security. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.